All right, in this video, we are going to fix the text input issue. When a user inputs text and they hit a submit button, they are used to that text disappearing. It gives the feeling that something has happened when they hit the button, and it also clears it so they don't have to erase it. So to fix that, I'm going to make a function. I'm going to come into my blocks. Now, a function has two parts. Functions are good for usable code. It's a chunk of code within a function, and where one place you define what that function is and you tell it what it is supposed to do. And then the second piece of a function is when you call the function, and that's when you're asking it to actually execute that code. So functions have their own blocks. We're going to come over here and I'm going to pull this out. Now, this is the purples or functions. I want it to do something. I actually am going to have it, this is where I name it. I'm going to call it clean up. Okay, there we go. So what did I want to do? Let's refresh. I want these text input boxes to clear when I press this button. Okay, so that means I'm going to go to my text input boxes themselves. I'm going to look for set text to blank. Now this is one of those times that you want that light pink box because it's clearing a value. In that case, these work. It's just not a string. Okay, so we're going to set our high, and I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to set our notes. So what this is doing is it is clearing everything when I do it. Okay, so let's see. Now, if I were to test it right now, it wouldn't work because, like I said, a function has two pieces. You define it and you call it. Now, we haven't called it anywhere. We have defined what we want to happen. We just haven't said when we want it to happen. Now, we want it to happen on this button press. Everything in our app happens on this one button press. We want it to happen at the end. So I'm going to go to functions. And here it is, cleanup. I'm going to drag that out. I'm going to put that block right there. And that is when all this is done, it's going to clean up. That cleanup function is going to execute the code that is right here. So let's do that. Let's test it on our preview and let's test it on our phone. Okay, so if I put 67 in and I said it was 99 degrees, reset works. Okay. Reset works, and I hit that. I got my notice that everything was good, and I did this on my phone. So we'll check our database. Oh yes, it worked. Wonderful. Okay, that is perfect. That means it did exactly what we wanted. That means we have fixed that issue.